the best that Cebu's 3rd District has to offer in the ongoing Tabo sa Tersero Distrito 2023, a 3-day cultural expo at Robinson's Galleria Cebu from June 16 to 18, 2023.
Everything seems to be leveling up. But don't you know, here in the province of Cebu, leveling up is the order of the day. And when we challenge the Cebuanon, particularly the Cebuanons and our mayors of the 3rd District, they not only level up, they exceed expectations.
Here, different handicraft items and delicacies can be purchased, such as balamban's torta, hand-woven bags from Asturias, Barili's colorful array of native hats and specialty chips, Sukang Tuba from Aloginsan, Pinamungahan's famous caramel cookies, Tuburan's homegrown coffee, and handmade accessories from Toledo City.
Kami manggod ang yamang kong gi-install sa amo aba. So well, sa ato ata no taga Cebu. Kung naka-out done tani or we did outdid this, dapat next time mas grabe pa. Cause 'di ba dapat ita stagnant and makakita ta new ways nga dapat mo saka pa kita. Especially lagi nga number 1 naman ta. 'Di ba? Usa pa may there's no other way. Ang kita pa jud kang mas grabe pa sa imo naptan.
Cebu Governor Gwendolyn Garcia even dropped by each stall to try out the featured products herself. She was also game enough to dance to the exciting beats during the expo's opening ceremony.